Welcome to the channel. Today we shall look at what's inside the box of the Xiaomi AX3600 Wi-Fi 6 router. Now let's open it up and see what we get inside. So here is the front of the router box, the AX3600 with 7 antennas, 6 for Wi-Fi and 1 for AIoT. So if you have AIoT devices, you can easily connect to this router as well to give you the access to the internet. So now let's take a look at what's inside the box. So now let's look at what's inside the box. Wow, so when you first open it up, you will see that the router is pretty large. It's a triangular shape. And let's take a look what's inside. We will have then the whole Wi-Fi router with all the 7 antennas. So it's a huge router, a pretty large router. Right, so looking at the size, it's pretty large. It comes with a UTP cable, RJ45. It comes with a power brick, a simple instruction leaflet, right? Both sides to telling you the components, the ports, and what's available. So that's it. That's all we get from the box. Okay, so now let's take a look at the device. So we have a 12 volt 2 amp 24 watt power brick, UTP cable to connect to your network, and let's take a look at the monster. Okay, now let's remove the plastic holding up the antennas, the 7 antennas. Okay, so this is what the router could look like when you put it at home. Right, angle the directional beams of the antenna to get the best reception around your house. Pretty nice plastic cover with a nice LED light to show the internet access as well as the system power on light. So you look at the back, what we have here is 4 network ports, power in, as well as a reset button. So that's basically it. It's a pretty minimalistic router. The air vents are all at the base, on the edge, right around it. So that will give it pretty much a pretty good airflow. The triangle shape here also allows it to ventilate the warm air out of the casing easily. So I think this is a pretty solid, rugged Wi-Fi 6 router, good for the home use for a very long time. So you look at it, this unit itself can only be placed onto a flat surface. There is nothing here that allows you to have a hook to hang it up on the wall or anything. So in this aspect, you really have to find a very suitable place in the middle of the whole house so that the antenna does its work, right, and allows the Wi-Fi signal to penetrate all the alleys and rooms to give you the best possible Wi-Fi reception, right? So I'll test this one out and we'll share with you the results in the next video. So here is what we get: the Wi-Fi 6 router with the power brick, UTP cable, and a leaflet, right, giving the instructions. So all in all, it's a simple device, and I hope you enjoy the unboxing video. Take care. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one.